What's going on, guys? Today we are back. We are out with Corey, and today our goal is to hunt for snow. Since we are still in fall, we knew the only place we would find decent snow was up high in elevation. And that's exactly where we're heading. As we ventured higher and higher into the mountains, we found exactly what we were looking for. Snow! But it turns out the road we were following has become very grown over. Good thing a couple of scratches won't stop us. Hey guys, just interrupting the video real quick to remind you to smash that like button. And hey, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button too. There's gonna be a lot more videos like this in the future. And let's go back to finding snow. Alright, we came across this tree over the road. We wished it over as far as we could. Now Corey's gonna try to drive over it. Luckily, he installed a locker in the front of his truck literally yesterday. So, time to put that to the test. Bank on that side. Alright, so now that we're up in some elevation, we found some decent snow, which means it's finally time to take the tires right down to like maybe 5 PSI right now. I've had this air down tool for like a year and a half, and it has been incredibly reliable and still works great. And yeah, it's literally a $20 like Amazon air down tool. If you guys are interested, there's a link in the description below. Check it out. We made it to the top of this mountain. Man, that was a lot of fun. We did actually find some decent snow on the way up, and there was some awesome hill climbs. So, time to eat lunch, or I guess dinner now, and then head back down. What an awesome day. I can't wait to get back out for some more snow wheeling this winter. It's gonna be awesome. And as I mentioned in the video, this was Corey's first time out with an e-locker in the front of his truck. And as you can tell, it worked great. Normally I was the one who had to break trail in the winter, but not anymore. I'd like to take a second and thank all of you new subscribers that have been pouring into the channel over the last few months. It has been awesome to see the channel get a bit more noticed and growing more and more every day. Anyways guys, that about wraps up this video. And remember, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you next week. Peace.